Bonjour, I am Jacques Torres and welcome to Tuesday Tips. You know, when you make tiramisu, you need to use those little cakes. I want to show you how to make those cakes. They are actually very easy, very fast to make, and you can use them for a lot of different things, even for layers cake. 6 egg white, 6 egg yolks, so 6 eggs, 150 grams of sugar, and 150 grams of cake flour. Few drops of lemon juice into the egg white to help to stretch the protein of the egg white, and then piping bag and a tray. That's it. So let's make the meringue first. So I'm going to put that into the stand mixer and just add a few drops of lemon juice on them. So this is a pretty stiff meringue, and as you see, the meringue didn't separate because I put the lemon juice and I put the sugar from the beginning, you know, a little bit at a time. Break down those yolks. You don't need to whip them, just break them down like that. Then we're going to add those egg yolk into the meringue. And the next things I'm going to do, I'm going to put my flour on top of that. So be careful to do not deflate that beautiful meringue. I'm going to put some of my batter into a piping bag. The traditional shape for that is actually this way. A little bit of powdered sugar. Let's put that in the oven. They should bake for, I guess, it's 10-12 minutes. So my little cake to make tiramisu, we call them in French biscuit cuillère, are ready. Biscuit cuillère, or you can make tiramisu with that. I hope that helped.